Namaste. Hamisha khush raho bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you pesticide residues, which is a part of food safety and quality control. Now let's start the topic. Pesticides residues. Pesticide means any substance intended for preventing, destroying, attracting, repelling, or controlling any pest, including unwanted species of plants or animals, during the production, storage, transport, distribution, and processing of food, agricultural commodities, or animal feeds, or which may be administered to animals for the control of ectoparasites. A pesticide is any substance or mixture of substances intended for preventing, destroying, repelling, or mitigating any pest according to US EPA. Then pests include insects, plant pathogens, weeds, mollusks, birds, mammals, fish, nematodes, roundworms, microbes, and people that destroy property, spread or a vector for diseases or cause nuisance. Then pesticides are also potentially toxic to humans. They may induce adverse health effects including cancer, effects on reproduction, immune or nervous systems. Before they can be authorized for use, pesticides should be tested for all possible health effects and the results should be analyzed by experts to assess any risk to humans. Then pesticides is a general term used for substances which are applied to poison pests, that is weeds, insects, molds, rodents, etc. The pesticides most accurately dangerous to man are insecticides and rodenticides, although by weight, herbicides are the most widely used type of pesticides. About 80% of all compounds used are herbicide. Not every pesticide is acutely toxic to humans or to other non-target species. Pesticides are applied to crops often by ground or aerial spraying or other ground application methods and are most prevalent in agricultural areas. Pesticides are also called on golf courses, forested areas, along roadsides, or in suburban and urban landscape areas. Then, influencing factors for pesticide use and the level at which they have an effect, national or farm level. That is the regulation and legislation, that is availability. Then PPP, efficiencies, pesticide use, and PPP is related to economy. Economy is curative preventive, it will leads to the prices, and then sensor driven robotic data system. Okay, then crop economic importance and sensitivity of the crop is towards the pests only. PPP is the plant protection product and MRL is the maximum residue limit. Then type of the food and minimum amount of sample to collected. Okay, medium sized fruits and vegetables with weight between 25 to 250 grams is 1 kg at least 10 fruits. Large size fruits and vegetables that with weight more than 250 grams, then 2 kg at least 5 fruits. Dairy products like butter, cream, milk and cheese zero point 0.5 kg. Spices, coriander and cumin, that is 0.25 kg. Cereals 1 kg. Then animal feed, that is cotton seed cake and fodder is 1 kg or 5 kg. Water, that is running water, is 15 kg. Soil is 5 kg. Sources of chemical contaminants. Then animal feed, that is the pesticides, heavy metals, aflatoxins, and PCBs, radionuclides. They all are in the animal. And healthcare antibiotics animals may already present hota hai. Then that is present in the milk meat, we are consuming basically milk and meat from the animals. Then radiation sources, these are the radionuclides and they are already present in the environment and in water, air and soil. Automobiles also giving heavy metals, domestic sewage gives pesticides, industrial effluents are heavy metals and pesticides, vacuum oil, lubricating oil, paints, plastics, rubber, electrical equipments, PCBs, then pulp and paper industry, automobile emission, and metal refining. So these are the sources of chemical contaminants in the animal product. Then types of the pesticide residues. Pesticides are often referred to according to the type of pest they control, derived from and so common source or production method. These are the chemical pesticides, biopesticides, antimicrobials, pest control devices. Then chemical pesticides, organophosphate pesticides. These pesticides affect the nervous system by disrupting the enzymes that regulates acetylcholine, that is a neurotransmitter. Most organophosphates are insecticides, however, they are usually not persistent in the environment. Examples of organophosphate pesticides are parathion, malathion, and methyl parathion. Then carbamate pesticides affects the nervous system by disrupting an enzyme that regulates acetylcholine, that is a neurotransmitter. The enzyme effects are usually reversible. There are several subgroups within the carbamates. Examples are bendicarb, carbyl methomyl, and propoxur. Organochlorine insecticides were commonly used in the past, but many have been removed from the market due to their health and environmental effects and their persistence. For example, DDT and chlordane. Pre-thought pesticides were developed as a synthetic version of the naturally occurring pesticides. Pyrethrin, which is found in the chrysanthemums, they have been modified to increase their stability in the environment. Some synthetic pyrethroids are toxic to the nervous systems. Examples are permethrin, resmethrin, and sumethrin. Different chemicals used for the different purposes. Then examples of insecticides, that is pyrethroids, throats, organophosphorus, carbamates, organochlorine, manganese compounds, and for fungicides, that are thiocarbamates, dithiocarbamates, cupric salts, etc. Rodenticides were those chemicals which are act against the rodents, that is warfarines and indenodiones. Fumigants is aluminium and zinc, phosphide, methyl bromide, and ethylene dibromide. Then another is insect repellents, that is diethyl toluamide. Then herbicides is bipyridiles, chlorophenoxy, glyphosate, acetylenedies, and triazines. Then these are the classes and effects of these pesticides on the human health. For example, organochlorine, DDT or DDE are the endocrine disruptor, thyroid disruption, properties in rodents, birds, amphibians, and fish, acute mortality attributed to inhibition of acetylcholinesterase activity. DDT basically egg shell thinning in the raptorial birds, carcinogen and endocrine disruptor. And DDT, that is diclofol, dieldrin, and toxaphene, that is juvenile population decline and adult mortality in wildlife reptiles. DDT is toxaphene, parathion, susceptibility to fungal infection. Triazine, that is earthworms became infected and monocysted greens. Chlordane is interact with vertebrate immune systems. Carbamates, the phenoxy herbicide 2,4-D, and atrazine, that is interact with the vertebrate immune system. Anticholinesterase, bird poisoning, animal infections, disease outbreaks, and higher mortality. These are the other examples of pesticides and their effects on the environment, that is organophosphate, that is thyroid disruption properties in rodents, birds, amphibians, and fish, acute mortality attributed to inhibition of acetylcholine esterase activity, immunotoxicity primarily caused by inhibition of serine hydrolases or esterases, oxidative damage, modulation of signal transduction pathways, impaired metabolic functions such as thermoregulation, water and or food intake and behavior, impaired development, reduced reproduction and hatching success in vertebrates. Then carbamate is for thyroid disruption properties in rodents, birds, amphibians, and fishes. Then impaired metabolic functions such as thermoregulation, water and or food intake and behavior, impaired development, reduced reproduction and hatching success in vertebrates, impact with vertebrate immune systems, and acute mortality attribution to inhibition of acetylcholine esterase activity. Phenoxy herbicide 2,4-D is interact with the vertebrate immune systems. Atrazine is also interact with the vertebrate immune systems, reduce northern leopard frog, that is Rhina pipens, and populations because atrazine killed phytoplankton, thus allowing light to penetrate the water column and periphyton to assimilate nutrients released from the plankton. Periphyton growth provided more foods to grazers, increasing snail populations, which provide intermediate host for trematode. Then pyrethroid, thyroid disruptions, properties in rodents, birds, and amphibians and fishes. And thiocarbamate, similar to the pyrethroid, thyroid disruption, properties in rodents, birds, amphibians, and fish. These are the another pesticide classes and effects on the environment. Then triazine, thyroid disruption, properties in rodents, birds, amphibians, and fishes. Triazole, same function as triazine, and impaired metabolic functions such as thermoregulation, water and or food intake and behavior impaired development, reduced reproduction and hatching success in vertebrates. Then neonicotinic nicotinoid, respiratory, cardiovascular, neurological, immunological toxicity in rats and humans. Then disrupt biogenic amine signaling and cause subsequent olfactory dysfunction as well as affecting foraging, behavior, learning, and memory. Imidacloprid, that is impaired foraging, brood development, and colony success in terms of growth rate and new queen production. Thiamethoxam, high honeybee worker mortality due to homing failure. Risk for colony collapse remain controversial. Spinosins, that is affect various physiological and behavioral traits of beneficial arthropods, particularly Hymenopterans. Then BT corn or cry reduce abundance of some insect taxa and predominantly susceptible to lepidopteran herbivores as well as their predators and parasitoids. Then herbicide reduced food availability and worse secondary effects on soil invertebrates and butterflies. Decreased species abundance and diversity in small mammals. Benomyl altered the patch level floral display and later a two-third reduction of the total number of bee visits and in a shift in the visitors from large-bodied bees to small-bodied bees and flies. Then herbicide and planting cycles reduced survival and reproductive rates in seed-eating or carnivorous birds. Then biopesticides. Pesticides derived from such natural materials as animals, plants, bacteria, and certain minerals is biopesticides. Then microbial pesticides is consisting of microorganisms, for example, bacterium, fungus, virus, or protozoan as the active ingredient. For example, there are fungi that control certain weeds and kill specific insects. Then plant incorporated protectants, that is PIPs, are pesticidal in substances that plants produce from genetic material that has been added to the plant. Biochemical pesticides are naturally occurring substances that control pests by non-toxic mechanisms. For example, insect sex pheromones that interfere with mating and various scented plant extracts that attract insect pests to trap. Then environmental impact of pesticides. Pesticides are spread over large areas of land and they have a widespread impact on the environment. Research has shown, for example, that over 95% of herbicides and over 98% of insecticides do not reach the targeted pest. Environment is because pesticides are applied over a large tracts of land and carried away by wind and water runoff. As these chemicals travel to other areas, they affect a number of plant and other species, animal species. Additionally, storage, transportation, and production allow some quantities of pesticides to be introduced to the environment. While research concerning the exact impact of pesticides on the environment is varied, it has increased over the last few decades. As a result of some of this research, both the United States and European Union have stopped using organophosphate and carbamate insecticides, some of the most toxic of all the pesticides. Then causes of environment pollution, impact of pesticides on air, impact of pesticides on water, impact of pesticides on soil, then impact of pesticides on plants, impact of pesticides on animals, then impact of pesticides on air. That is, the pesticides can spread by volatilize and may be blown by winds into nearby areas. Following factors affect the spreading of pesticides in the air. First of all, weather conditions at the time of application. Second is temperature. Third is relative humidity. Then ground spraying produces less spread than aerial spraying. Then impact of pesticides on water. There are four major routes through which pesticides reach the water. Contaminate water when they spraying, for example, rice cultivation, It may percolate or leach through the soil. It may be carried to the water or as runoff and carried to water by eroding soil. After contaminate the water, it makes a lot of problems. Application of herbicides to bodies of water can cause fish kills, reduce the quality of drinking water, reduce the amount of water available for cultivation, and altering the physical characteristics of the water bodies. Then insecticides are typically more toxic to aquatic life than herbicides and fungicides. Impact of pesticides on soil. The use of pesticide decreases the general biodiversity in the soil, then also affect the soil microorganisms and decrease the soil fertility, effect on growth on the plants, then residual effect of the pesticide in the soil, enter to the food chain and biomagnification. Okay, then impact of pesticides on the plants. Then root nodule formation in the plant saves the world economy $10 billion in synthetic nitrogen fertilizer every year. Especially pentachlorophenol interfere with legume rhizobium chemical. Reduction of this symbiotic chemical results in reduced nitrogen fixation. Pesticides can kill bees and decline the pollinators. Then farmers lose at least $200 million a year from reduced crop pollination because pesticides applied to the fields. Then impact of pesticides on animals. Pesticides can eliminate some animals' essential food sources. Residues can travel up to the food chain. Earthworms digest organic matter and increase nutrient content in the top layers of soil. Then pesticides had harmful effects on growth and reproduction on earthworms. Then pesticides exposure can be linked to cancer, endocrine disruption, reproductive neurotoxicity, kidney, liver damage, and then birth defects and development changes in a wide range of species. In this picture, farmer is applying pesticides on the grass or its crop. These grass is grazed by the cow, and these pesticides is also entering into the body by the grass by grazing. Then the mechanism of milk production in the body of the cow will also contaminate the milk with these pesticides which is present in the milk, which is present in the grass, and that will also present in the milk, and that milk is consumed by the human, and it is also then it will transfer to the animal's body or human body. Or if we are eating the flesh of that animal who is grazing that grass, then it is also present in the meat and it will consequently affect the human body. Okay, now what are the prevention and control? First is consumers education. Every consumer should know what are the ill effect of the pesticides and etc., and therefore there is a trend of organic farming to reduce the consequences of the pesticide residues. Choose foods frequently that have low TI values. Choose foods with the highest TI values such as peaches less often. Eating these foods occasionally is unlikely to do much harm, but eating multiple servings in a short period of time probably should be avoided. Look for organically grown food. Remove the peel. Many pesticide reducers are on the outside of the fruit. Removing the peel can dramatically lower pesticide exposure associated with these foods. Choose processed foods more often, especially those for which TI are substantially lower than for fresh varieties of the same food, such as canned peaches. This hope you are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box and I will resolve them in our live session. Thank you so much.